straight lines. And we are seeing some theory concepts of straight lines, that is slope of a line, right? So conditions for parallel lines, conditions for perpendicular lines, right? So angle between two lines and collinearity of 3 points. Next we will continue the problems. See, find slope of the line. Find slope of the line passing through origin and midpoint of the line joining 0, minus 4 and 8, 0. Find the slope of the line. See, passing through origin and midpoint of the line joining 0, minus 4 and 8, 6. See, I draw the rough diagram. See friends, I draw the rough diagram. 0, minus 4, it is on negative x. Negative x axis, negative y axis. Y is negative. 0, minus 4, it is on negative y axis. Let us say this is 0, minus 4. Let us say this is a point. 0, minus 4. And 8, 0. 8, 0 is a point on positive x axis. Not just that diagram. This is point B. That is 8, 0. So this is a line. So point A is 0, minus 4 and point B is 8, 0. Right. So now find the slope of a line passing through origin. Now this is the origin and let us say midpoint of line AB. Let us say this is point C. Right. So midpoint of line AB. Let us say that is point C. Now we are finding the slope of a line passing through origin and this midpoint. Now we are finding the slope of this line. So now we are finding slope of this line. So let us say AB. Let us say this is MN. You are finding the slope of line MN. Is it clear, friends? There is a line which is passing through 0, minus 4 and 8, 0. Now we are finding the slope of a line which is passing through. So that is M. This is origin and the midpoint of line AB. Let us say that is right. So now first I find C point. So that is midpoint of AB. Let us say coordinates of A is 0, minus 4. Coordinates of B is 8, 6. So this is x1, y1. This is x2, y1. That is midpoint of A. So midpoint of AB, which is equal to C, which is what is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2. Similarly, y1 plus y2 by 2. So that is C is equal to what is x1 value? x1 value is 0 plus x2 value is 8 divided by 2. Similarly, y1, what is y1 value? Minus 4 plus y2 is 0 divided by 2. Now C, so 8 by 2 is 4 minus 4 by 2. Now the coordinates of C is minus 4, minus 2. Now we will find the slope of line MN is same as slope of line MC. Now we will find the slope. So the coordinates of M is 0, 0. Coordinates of C, what is coordinates of field is 4, minus. Now we will find the slope of this line. x1, y1, x2, y2. That is the slope of required line, which is passing through origin and midpoint of A. So then find slope of MC. Slope of MC, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x. What is y2 value? Minus 2 minus y1 is 0 divided by x2. What is x2? x2 is 4 minus x1 is 0. So therefore it is minus 2 divided by 4. That is equal to how much is? Minus 2. That is slope of MC is equal to minus 2. Is it clear, friends? Right. So first find midpoint of AB, that is C. We know the coordinates of origin and coordinates of C. Then find slope of MC by using formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 is minus 2 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 0. That is minus 2 by 4. That is equal to how much is? Minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? Right. students, next problem. The line to the points minus 2, 6, 4, 8 is perpendicular to 8, 12 x, 24 8, 12 x, 24, then find the value of see students, so there is a line which is passing through, let us say this is A and this is B. What is the coordinates of A? It is minus 2, 6 and coordinates of B is 4, 8 and this line is perpendicular to, let us say this is line CD. The coordinates of C it is 8, 12. Coordinates of let us say D, so that is x, 20. Now these two lines are perpendicular. They are given, right? So the line to the points minus 2, 6 and 4, 8, that is line AB, is perpendicular to the line. Joining. The line to the points minus 2, 6, 4, 8 is perpendicular to the line joining 8, 12, x, 24. Then find the value of x. Right? See. So now, so that is AB. The coordinates of is minus 2, 6, b is 4, 8 is perpendicular to the line that is CD. So that is 8, 12 and x, 24. So first I will find slope of AB. See students. I will find slope of A. So the coordinates of A is minus 2, 6, coordinates of B that is 4, 8. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So find slope of AB. Slope of AB, let us say that is m1. Write it as m1. So what is slope of AB? That is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x. So that is m1 which is equal to, what is y2? It is 8 minus y1, y1 is 6 divided by x2, it is 4 minus x1 is minus 2. Is it clear, friends? So m1, so y2 minus y1, 8 minus 6 divided by x2 minus x1, 4 minus 1 minus. Therefore, m1 is equal to 8 minus 6 is 2, 8 minus 6 minus 2 minus plus 4 plus 2 is 6. That is equal to, so therefore m1 is equal to 1. Right, so then I find slope of CD. So what is C? The coordinates of C is 8, 12. Coordinates of D, coordinates of D is x, 24. Right, so then find this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Then I find slope of CD. Slope of CD that is equal to m2. Right, so slope of AB is m1, slope of CD is m2. Right, so that is m2 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus. What is y2? It is 24 minus y1 is 12 divided by x2. What is x2? x2 is x minus x1. x1 is 8. So that is 24 minus 12. That is m2 is equal to 24 minus 12 is 12 divided by x minus. Right. Now, since the two lines are perpendicular, which is given in the problem, after that we have to continue here. So that is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So that is what is the reason? That is line AB is perpendicular to line C. That is given. So what is m1? m1 value is 1 by 3 into what is m2? m2 value is 12 divided by x minus 8 is equal to minus 1. Now 3 ones are 3 4s. Right, so now 4 is equal to cross multiply this x into minus 1 minus x minus 8 into minus 1 minus into minus 6 plus 3. Now bring this x here, 4 here. So So minus x will become plus x. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. Therefore, the value of x is 4. Is it clear, students? So first they are given the coordinates of AB and coordinates of CD. There are two lines. So the two lines are perpendicular. You have to find the value of x. So by using the coordinates of A and B, first find slope of A. That is m1 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. By using the coordinates of CD, find slope of CD. So again y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x2. Use the same formula. So you get m1 and m2. Since the two lines are perpendicular, use the relation. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Finally get the value of x as. Is it clear? So right. Please write the next problem. Without using Pythagoras theorem, without using Pythagoras theorem, prove that the points 4, 4, 3, 5 and minus 1, 1, minus 1 are the vertices of right angle. So without using Pythagoras theorem, prove that the points 4, 4, 3, 5 and minus 1 are the vertices of the right angle triangle. Already we know that. So we can show the 3 points are the vertices of right angle triangle. Already I have done in 10th standard. We will find distance. Take the 3 points as A, B, C. We will find distance AP, BC and AC, which is having the maximum length. So that will become the hypotenuse. So then we will use Pythagoras theorem. That is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So that equation is verified. So therefore these are the vertices of right angle triangle. Now we have mentioned without using Pythagoras theorem. See, I will take the first point A as 4, 4. B, so that is 3, 5. C, so that is minus 1, 1. And take the 3 points as A, B, C, 4, 4, B, 3, 5, C, minus 1, 1. And find slope of AB first. And find slope of AB. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What is y2? It is 5. Minus y1 is 4. Divided by x2. x2 is 3. Minus x1 is 4. So that is 1. So it is 1 divided by minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Then I find slope of BC. Slope of BC. AB, BC. So now this will become x1 y1. This is x2 y1. So slope of BC, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x2. What is y2 here? Now it is minus 1. y2 minus y1. y1 is, so now this is x1 y1. Right, so y2 is minus 1 minus 5 divided by x2. x2 is minus 1 minus x1. So minus 6 divided by minus 4, that is equal to how much is 3 by 2. So then I find slope of AC then. Slope of AC. Right, so now this is x1 y1. Now this is x2. So now slope of AC, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus 2. What is y2? It is minus 1 minus y1 is 4 divided by x2. What is x2? x2 is also minus 1 minus x1 is 4. So therefore it is minus 5 divided by minus 5, which is equal to 1. You can see that. So already I told you, in right angle triangle, the two lines are perpendicular. Right? So other than hypotenuse, the two sides are perpendicular. So that is 90 degrees. Now we can see. So AB, slope of AB is minus 1 and slope of AC is, so now, so this is A, this is B and this is C. We can observe C students. Slope of AB is minus 1, this slope is minus 1. Slope of BC is 3 by 2. And what is slope of AC? Slope of AC is 1. We can observe, if I multiply, slope of AB is minus 1 and slope of AC is plus 1. If we multiply these two, minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. If product of slopes is minus 1, what is the meaning? That angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. Now angle between AB and AC is what it is? 90 degrees. Therefore, from this we can write, C students, that is slope of, that is AB into slope of, that is AC. So that is minus 1 into plus 1. We are getting minus 1. This implies, right? So slope of AB into slope of AC is minus 1. So if product of slopes is equal to minus 1, that implies the two lines are perpendicular. That is AB is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, ABC are the vertices of right angle. Is it clear, friends? Right? Find slope of AB, right? Slope of BC, slope of AC. In right angles, out of three sides, two sides are perpendicular. Now we can observe slope of AB is minus 1, slope of AB is plus 1. Slope of AB is minus 1, slope of AC is plus 1. Now multiply the slopes. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. If product of the slopes, if it is equal to minus 1, then two lines must be perpendicular. Now product of the slopes of these two lines is minus 1. Therefore, these two lines are perpendicular. Right? So slope of AB, slope of BC, slope of AC. Slope of AB into slope of AC is minus 1. This implies AB is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, ABC are the vertices of right angle. Is it clear, friends? Right. Next problem. Next. These 3 points lie on a line, then prove that a by h plus b by k is equal to. Is it clear? Right. So if 3 points h comma 0, a comma b and 0 comma k lie on a line, then we have to prove it. Right. So lie on a line means what? These 3 points are collinear. Right. So let us say that is point A I will take it as h comma 0, point B I will take it as a comma b, and point C I will take it as 0 comma 2. Right. So first I will find slope of AB. Slope of AB. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus b. What is y2? It is b minus y1 is 0 divided by x2 is a minus x1 is h. Now it is b divided by a minus h. Is it clear? So then I find slope of BC then. Slope of BC where this is x1, y1, this is x2, y1. Next I find slope of BC. So that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus. What is y2? Y2 is a minus y1, y1 is b divided by x2 is 0 minus x1 is. So that is a minus b divided by minus. Is it clear, friends? So slope of BC. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. y2 minus y1, a minus b divided by x2 minus x1, 0 minus a. So that is a minus. Now we can multiply this minus to the numerator. If we multiply minus to the numerator, a minus b will become b minus a divided by. Just I am multiplying this minus to the numerator. So that a minus b will become b minus a divided. Now we can use the relation that is slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Because ABC lie on a line. That is ABC are collinear. That is given, right? So slope of AB is equal to slope of BC because ABC lie on a line. That is lie on a line means what? ABC are collinear. So what is slope of AB? What is slope of AB? That is B divided by A minus H is equal to C is equal to B minus K divided by. Now do the cross multiplication. A into B, it is AB. A into B is AB is equal to A minus H. A minus H into B minus. A into B, AB is equal to A minus H into B minus. That is A into B is equal to AB plus multiply the brackets A into B, AB plus into minus minus A into K, AK, so minus into plus minus, B into H, BH, minus into minus, plus H into K is H. So here you can observe that AB will get cancelled. So that is 0 is equal to now it is minus AK minus BH plus H. Now bring these two terms on the left hand side. So AB will get cancelled. 0 is equal to minus AK minus BH plus H. Now bring these two terms on the left hand side. Minus AK will become plus AK. Minus BH will become plus BH, which is equal to H into. Now we can observe we have 1 on the right hand side. So A and B terms are there on the left hand side and 1 on the right hand side. If you want to get 1 on the right hand side, we have to divide this whole equation by H into K. So therefore AK divided by HK plus BH divided by HK is equal to HK divided by H. Now here you can observe K will get cancelled, that is A by H, plus here H will get cancelled, that is B by K. Here both HK will get cancelled, that is equal to, which is the required result. That is A by H plus B by K equal to. Is it clear, friends? Right? So they are given the 3 points H, 0, A, B, 0, K lie on a line. Right? So they are collinear. Then you have to prove this result. So take the 3 points as A, B, C. First find slope of AB, then find slope of BC. slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Use that equation, that is B by A minus H is equal to B minus A by A. Cross multiply this, AB is equal to A minus H into B minus A. So AB is equal to A into B is AB minus AK minus BH plus HK. So AB will get cancelled. So 0 equal to minus AK minus BH plus HK. So now take this minus AK and minus BH on the left hand side. AK plus BH is equal to HK divided by HK. So now AK divided by HK, BH divided by HK is equal to HK by H. Now K will get cancelled, K H will get cancelled. So A by H plus B by K is equal to 1. Right. Okay, friends, see next problem. If angle between two lines is 5 by 4, the slope of one line is 1 by 2, then find slope of other line. Find slope of other line. See students, if angle between two lines is 5 by 4, if slope of one line is 1 by 2, then find slope of other line. See, there is one line. Let us say this slope is given, that is 1 by 2. Now this angle is given, that is 5 by 4. What is the slope of this line? Let us say this is m1. You have to find m2. Is it clear, friends? Right? So now see here. So now angle between two lines is 5 by 4. That is theta is given, that is 5 by 4. Slope of one line is 1 by 2. That is m1 is 1 by 2. So then we have to find the slope of other line. That is m2 is question mark. What is the angle between two lines formula? What is the angle between two lines? Tan theta is equal to mod of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So theta is 5 by 4. That is tan of theta is 5 by 4. Tan of 5 by 4 is equal to mod of m2. What is m2? We have to find that value. Minus m1. m1 is 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. That is 1 by 2 into m2. Is it clear? So m2 minus m1 is 1 by 2. 1 plus m1 into m2. m1 value is 1 by 2 into m2. So tan of 5 by 4 is 1, which is equal to, take the LCM. It is 2m2 minus 1 whole divided by 2 divided by 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into m2 is m2 divided by, now this 2 will get cancelled. And taking LCM in the numerator and denominator, so So 2 into m2 is 2m2 minus 1 whole divided by 2. So again 2 into 1, 2 plus m2 divided by 2. So therefore 1 is equal to mod of, that is 2m2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus m2. Right? So 2m2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus m2. That 2 will get cancelled. 2m2 minus 1 by 2 plus m2 is equal to 1. See students, when mod x, I say when it is equal to 1, that x can be plus 1 or x can be minus 1. If you want to remove that mod, because mod of plus 1 is also 1, mod of minus 1 is also 1. Therefore, when mod x is equal to plus 1, that x value can be plus 1 or that x value can be minus 1. If mod x is equal to 5, this implies that x value can be plus 5 or that x value can be minus 5. So because mod of plus 5 is also plus 5, mod of minus 5 is also plus 5. Mod means it is absolute value, that is always it is a positive value. So when we have mod of any value, it is always positive, whether it is negative or positive. Mod of minus 5 is also plus 5, mod of plus 5 is also plus 5. So therefore, if you want to remove this mod, you have to take two values, one is plus 1 and one more is minus 1. If mod x is equal to plus 1, that x value can be plus 1 or x value can be minus 1. Right? So now, right side we have a mod. So if you want to remove that mod value, so therefore that is 2m2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus m2, that value can be plus 1, or 2m2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus m2, that value can be minus 1. So therefore, not multiply 2m2 minus 1 is equal to 2 plus m2. Now bring this. So 2m2 minus m2 is m2 is equal to 2 minus 1 will become plus 1. So that is 3. The slope of other line can be 3. Or, so now 2m2 minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2. m2 into minus 1 minus 1. Now bring this m2 here and 1. So 2m2 plus m2 is equal to minus 2 plus 1. So that is pm2 is equal to minus 1. What is m2? That is minus 1. See students, we are getting two slopes, so that we have two lines. So one line, let us say this is one line which makes an angle with the given line pi by 4, and there is one more line like this. So again this angle is also pi by 4. So this line is m2, this value can be 3 and this value can be minus 1 by. Is it clear friends? We have two lines which makes an angle pi by 4 with the given line. One line is this, whose angle is pi by 4, the slope is 3. And one more line is this, which makes an angle pi by 4 with the same line, and the slope is minus 1 by. We can observe this slope is positive because this line makes an angle acute, that is in between 0 to 90. This is negative because this line makes an angle obtuse, which is more than 90. Therefore, we are getting minus 1 by. Is it clear, friends? So we are having two lines which makes an angle pi by 4 with the given line, whose slope, one line is having slope 3 and one more line is having slope minus 1. Is it clear? So angle between two lines is given, that is theta is given, right? And slope of one line is given, that is m1 is 1 by 2. They are asking what is the slope of the second line. So use that equation tan theta is equal to mod of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2 and continue. So here, if you want to remove this mod, once you have to equate to plus 1, one more we have to equate to minus 1. Because mod of negative value is also positive. So therefore, once equate to plus 1 and simplify, you get slope is 3. Once equate to minus 1 and simplify, you are getting minus 1 by. Therefore, we have two lines which makes an angle pi by 4 with the given. Is it clear? Right. Okay students, so we have solved some problems based on angle between two lines, collinearity of 3 points, right? So we have some more problems in first exercise during NCERT, so that remaining things will continue. Okay.